ever noticed how some of those cheap shower systems end up costing you more money in the long run? You might remember the scene from The Money Pit where the bathtub falls through the second floor. While it might be funny in the movie, it's not so funny when it's in your actual bathroom. You see, the mistake that a lot of people make is that they only look at the upfront cost. They'll buy the cheapest shower system on the market and they don't really think about the extra maintenance that comes with it, the labor associated with it, and what happens when the material doesn't hold up. Tile sounds great until you also compare the cost to install it plus the maintenance of keeping up with that grout and mold that will definitely come when you install tile. And some of the lower end systems, they're flimsy, they have too many seams, and on top of that, I think is the biggest one, they look outdated so fast. That's one of the reasons products like the Innovate shower wall panels are gaining so much attention right now. You can get the look of tile or polished stone without all the maintenance that comes with it, the long lead times or the long installation times, and it holds up over time. It comes with a lifetime warranty, so it's guaranteed to last. I'll show you one of my, I think, my favorite patterns. This is the Cream of Marfil one. This is by far one of my favorites. We also have the White Carrera. This is I believe, a very timeless pattern as well. We have a total of 8 patterns on our site, 4 matte and 4 polished. One thing to know is that you don't need an expensive shower system to make your bathroom look beautiful. You just need one that will hold up over time and won't become a problem later. If you want to learn more information or you want to check out the other patterns that we have available, you can head on over to our site at innovashowers.com or give us a call at 877-668-5888. You can chat with one of our project specialists. We'd love to help you out with your project to make sure that you're getting everything you need. And you can request some free samples as well to get the sense of what the product will look and feel like in your home. Thanks so much again for watching.